Ameerah Squad, what's up, Ameerah Squad?
Fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off.
Welcome back to my channel. So on the last video, Kanaya was, and y'all got that video. So I'm in black top here with the side, and y'all got to see it. So she's back in the clip, and as you can see, we making some fluffy slime. Last video we made with slime, we did the blindfolded, and Kanaya was cheating. We both was cheating, but it's cool. And sorry if y'all hear that sound, my mom is sleeping. So yeah, so as y'all can see, we got Tide,
shaving cream,
beads to put in the slime,
bows,
2 glues,
and we can't go wrong without food coloring,
and spoons to mix it up. Now, like I said, I don't know how to make slime because the boss finna go ahead and period. So I think we forgot something, so I'm finna go get it.
Thank you.
Okay, so this is what we was missing. We was missing the eye contact solution. So all you need to make this fluffy slime is
Eye contact solution, tie, glues, food coloring, spoons, of course, bows, shaving cream, foam beads.
and that's all you need. So if you got all this, then you can go ahead and make it. So the first thing we finna do is move this stuff, move it to where y'all can see what we doing. So we need the glue first. So okay, so she opened the containers are red, blue, green, and yellow. Now we don't know which color we're gonna make it, but we probably gonna make a lot of slime if it turns out right. So
Whoa.
let's get right
into the video.
We got 4 colors, 4 food coloring colors. So we gonna make 4 slimes since we got 4 bows. If we got enough glue, this look like enough glue, don't it? So we're gonna pour half of the glue in there. So as y'all can see, we got. Why you not doing it like me?
Okay.
No, never mind, cause you gonna. Okay, so what color you wanna do first? I'm on yellow.
I'm on blue.
Okay, it don't matter because we all making, you know. 2. Ooh, went more than 2.
Exactly, like sprays out.
I don't think y'all can see, but it looks so cute.
You gotta make sure everything is blue or yellow.
Golden State colors. Period.
Next, we add the shaving cream.
But it's gonna get real fluffy up in this. Is y'all ready?
Just go. Let's go. Stop.
All right, y'all. So she told me to stop. Like I said, I don't know how to make this.
Dang. Foam bead.
Kanaya wanted to get them so bad. And they better not spill all over this table. Here, let me open
They
it.
stapled. Girl, you're supposed to pour them.
I don't care. All right, that's enough. Because these mugs are already getting messy.
I think I added way too much.
Yes, you did. Look like they got them little pearls in them. Period.
Mine's
We got
like
a vanilla pudding pearl cake. I'm finna mix it. I'm finna mix it up now. What do I put in here?
Okay, go. Stop. Yeah. Add a little bit at a time.
And then mix it after.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. So as y'all can see, I'm adding it in.
We was making slime, and then I told her to add, and she gonna add some red
Ooh,
paint.
it's adding. That's working. That's done.
My arm hurt, Vicky. Okay, mix it.
You have to be too long.
Ooh.
Ma, do you see anything? Do you see anything? You can see my slime is starting to be slime.
This is mine.
Make no sense. Her hair's blue, y'all.
It's light
So
blue.
my slime done, and I'm gonna play with it.
Guys.
Kanaya, was yours a fail?
Yes.
Kanaya's was a fail, and I can't believe this because she talked all that smack.
Girl, first of all, it was because
You put too many other
Yeah.
things in there when I told you not to, but Lord.
one.
So my slime, yeah, Kanaya, you salty.
You said green.
So we finna just go ahead and pour it in.
This should be on thumbnail.
Is you making a face? Make a face. No, don't look at the camera. Look at your glue. Alright. One. So now it's time to mix. Y'all comment down below if y'all want me to do my own slime video since I know how to make it now.
I like my slime like
Alright, so now we go ahead and add, if we want them, right?
I make slime.
Yes, we gonna name our slimes, y'all. Slime, slat.
Guys, this is what it looks like.
Look,
I add more.
look. Do this, do this. You done with the shaving cream? Is you sure? She added more dye on this girl crazy. So now I'm gonna wipe this off because we gotta start cleaning up.
This is my hands. Oh.
Alright, y'all, so we finna go wash our hands. So come on, you go wash your hands in the back. So guys, as y'all seen, my slime was the only, what is it called?
Only this one.
So I'm gonna show y'all my slime, cause period poop.
It looked like throw up. Let me feel.
No, y'all look. Let me show y'all this is not a fail. Period.
No.
You cleaning that up. Y'all, look what Kanaya did. She is so trifling. This is going in the trash.
Girl,
Kanaya.
you was-
Gonna watch us clean up. It's gonna be in fast mode, so it's finna roll right now. Alright, y'all, so that was the end of this video. I just got done cleaning up and all that. Oh my god, my hair's so But Kanaya didn't want to be in the end of the video because she got in trouble.
Boy, demon, hey, quick one.
So I picked up this table by myself. Yep, Kanaya didn't help. Tell him why you in trouble.
I forgot what it's called.
Because she spilt.
What did I spill?
You can't see it on the floor no more, but she spilled that stuff on the floor, so she got in trouble. So, peace.
It can't see you.
Mirror squad. Yes, it can.